Alright, this is going to be a really quick video just to go through the digital citizenship lesson that you guys have to execute tomorrow during your advocacy class. I'm about to send you all this email that pretty much delineates the process, but I'm just going to go ahead and link this video on there just in case there's any confusion. Alright, so first of all, in your teacher boxes, I placed a manila folder, and in that manila folder you're going to have a digital citizenship sign-in, an advocacy agenda, and some blank sheets of paper. So as you read through the agenda, it's basically going to tell you, okay, go ahead and pass out the sign-in sheet to students. You're going to then click on some videos, which I'm going to show you how to do, and you're going to then click on some articles, and at the end you have two options as far as what your students are going to produce as far as the summary. They can either summarize what they learned on Padlet, and I'm going to show you how to access that. That's like online digital, just kind of bulletin board, or using the blank sheets of paper, they can create posters, where they draw or write out what a summary of what they just learned. All right, so once you finish all that, basically you're going to place everything back, right? So the sign-in sheet and then student work, you're going to place it back in the manila folder, and then you're going to put it back or place it inside the designated box, which is going to be here. I'll provide a little picture. Now this is in between the teacher boxes. So you have all the teacher boxes on this side and all the teacher boxes on this side. So pretty much in between there is a box where you're going to place your manila folder once you've done, or you're done with a digital citizenship, right? And so basically the sign-in sheet and any student work will be placed in there when you're done. Now after your students have signed in, you're going to go ahead and access blendspace. Okay, so I hyperlinked it here. I also provided the URL here. Now if by default your computer goes to Chrome, you can go ahead and just click on this, right? You can just right click and then go open hyperlink. Now if it doesn't go by default to Chrome, then what I suggest that you do is go ahead and copy this link. Go ahead and open Chrome, and let me move down the screen so that you can see that. Go ahead and open Chrome, and then open up a window, just paste that URL on there, hit enter. Okay, this is pretty much the digital citizenship lesson. Now on here I already provided a digital copy of the agenda, just in case you lose the agenda, or, the physical one that I provided for you. You can access the agenda here. Now all you're going to do here is just click on this link. Now to access all this information, to access these slides, you can just click on the link here on the little icon, right? If you go here, it won't do anything. So you click on the little icon. Give it a moment to load. Okay, so pretty much here's the agenda. Alright, if you read it, step-by-step instruction, tells you to introduce the class to the lesson, the importance of digital citizenship, and then proceed to video 1, 2, and 3. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this button here, take me to the next slide. This is video 1. Alright, all you're going to do is just project this, to your students, play the video, finish the video, play the next video, finish that video, play this next video, and then after that, and we follow the agenda, we have to dissect 2 articles. Or actually before that, you're going to place students into groups and have them discuss the videos, and perhaps have them popcorn out. Now the reason I put perhaps is because if you want to use something different, think pair, share, 4 corners, whatever, just have them discuss what they just viewed in the videos. Okay, so after you discuss that, you're going to move on to this part, which is dissect 2 articles. So if we keep moving, Here we have articles, right? Cyber safety in the news. You're going to go ahead and open this tab. And then you're just going to pick 2 articles for your class. Now you can pick them, project them, read them as a class, or you can put the kids into groups, at least if one person has a mobile device, you could just have them dissect one of these articles. For example, I don't know, we'll click on this one. Just kind of have them go over this article, dissect it. All right, and then so following the agenda, after that they have to produce a product. So here are the 2 options. Option 1, students will create a mini poster with a blank sheets of paper are provided, or get creative. I only provided 15 sheets of blank paper. If you have more, please provide it. If not, pair them up so that it be sufficient for your advocacy class. And option 2, students will summarize what they just learned by accessing Padlet. Okay, so this is a link to Padlet. Now let me go back to the email that I sent you, because I put the link there as well. The link for Padlet is in 2 places. I placed one here, and I also placed one embedded in the blendspace, and I'll show you where that is in a bit. But if you go to the email, we just right click this and open hyperlink, and then this is what Padlet's going to look like. Okay, so if you choose to do this with your class, make sure you provide them with the URL. They can just copy it exactly as it is. All right. Or if you want to just summarize as a class, as a group, entirely up to you. So all you're gonna do here is just double click on any space, any blank space. All right. And it's going to give you the option, right, to type in your name, title, and then right here you're going to write the summary. So what you're going to do is you're going to type in the group or the students. You're going to type in your first name, then your last name, and then your summary is going to go on here. All right. Now also they have the option of including an URL. So if they record a video and put it on YouTube, they can also upload that. They can upload any file, document. They can also take a picture from the webcam, or any of those would be acceptable, as long as it's a summary of what they just learned with respect to digital citizenship. I will accept that. And so basically you have all this space. So that's your first option. You can write a summary here on Padlet, or you can create mini posters. Whichever you decide to do is fine, as long as all the students that are present summarize what they just learned with respect to digital citizenship. Alright, so now on this blend space, right, so we have all the videos here. We have several links. So if you want to choose to play something different, right, I provided a whole bunch of resources on here. If you click on this one, say you want to talk to your class about cyberbullying, or you want to talk to your class about safe gaming, whatever you choose to talk to them about, the resources are here for you to kind of tailor the lesson according to how you want to teach it. What I provided is just, a guide, and you can use that if you want, but if you want to do something totally different, you're more than welcome to do that. So here's a page, that has all the resources that I'm talking about. And so these are the articles I referred to earlier. Cyberbullying, direct link to that one. Digital citizenship, direct link to that. The sign-in sheet, which I printed out for you. If you lost it, you can just go ahead and just print it out from here, from blendspace. Click print it out. And then again, here's the link to Padlet again, that I accessed through the email. You can also access it through here just by clicking this button here, open new tab, and boom. Basically you have access to the Padlet. So at the end, when you're done with the instruction, as I stated earlier, let me go back. What you're going to do is just place all the materials in the manila folder, and then just please place them back in this box. And then at the end of the day, I'll collect them, and that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, or if I missed something, comments, concerns, please feel free to email me. I'm about to send out this email with this link, and I'll be happy to answer any questions. Thank you for your time and your help. I really appreciate it.